Hey, it's Seth with Rough Country. For all of you Kawasaki Teryx owners out there, we've got a lot of high-performing and good-looking rough country products for you, and I'm going to walk you through all the products that we put on this 2021 Kawasaki Teryx. Starting on the front here, we've got our full windshield as well as a half windshield option and a full windshield with a vented profile. It essentially gives you three different options that you can plug and play depending on what you're looking for your own machine. Moving down to the suspension, we have a straightforward 2-inch bracket lift kit, giving you all that additional ride height and clearance that you want on your machine. Recovery is always required when you're using your Teryx to its max capacity, and so we've got a rough country winch plate with our Pro 6500S winch, giving you that option to be able to mount a winch to your machine. A quality lighting system is one of the most important upfits that you can do onto your machine. So here on the front, we've got the bracketry specifically upfitted for this 2021 Kawasaki Teryx with one of our 50-inch Black Series LED light bars. Starting here on the back, we've got our bracket kit, which will allow you to light our Rough Country Black Series 2-inch cube mounts, or giving you the option to mount some of our other Rough Country Black Series lights. And finishing out on the back here, right up under the bed, we've got a bracket kit so you can mount a 20-inch Black Series LED light bar or any of our other 20-inch Rough Country light systems. Whether you want whips for safety or for fun, we've got you covered with the bracketry for the Teryx that allows you to mount our 2-foot LED whip kit, giving you all the colors and options that you have with a remote controller, as well as coming with your rough country flags. So as you can see, if you've got a Kawasaki Teryx, then we've got a lot of incredible products for you. That way you can level up your machine for the lifestyle you live and the places you go. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more content. Find more inspiration for your Kawasaki Teryx with our vehicle gallery, and check out all of our Teryx upfits at roughcountry.com.